Hey everyone, welcome to Belle's Keto on the Go. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me. Today's episode is on salad dressings, super yummy salad dressings with healthy fat in it. If you happen to go down the aisle of the grocery store and pick up any of your favorite dressings, one of the main ingredients in there is going to be soybean oil. It's just crap fat. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipe that I created that has healthy fats in it. So stay tuned and enjoy the keto. Okay guys, here's the ingredients that's going into the salad dressing. We have 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of Hungarian paprika, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1 teaspoon of red onion, a half teaspoon of seasoning salt, a half teaspoon of sea salt, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. That's the spices that will go in it. We have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of sour cream. We'll be putting 4 tablespoons of avocado oil in it, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and this is the salad dressing shaker. So let's do this. Whisk it together. Dump in all of your spices. So when you get apple cider, make sure it has the mothers in it. Get all of the nutrients of the mothers. some of the spicy spices like the red pepper flakes or the cayenne, and then it would be more of a ranch style. And then you could change the flavorings to be whatever you want. Get creative. The base is the most important part, having healthy fats like the avocado oil and the heavy whipping cream and the real fat of the sour cream. So those are going to be your bases. And then you just add your spices, and you could take away the spicy stuff if you don't like the spicy stuff. Add some, chop up some chipotle peppers, which is mild peppers. They just have a nice smoky flavor to it. You could add that for a chipotle ranch. You could omit those and put pickled jalapenos in there. So the whole point of that is to be creative with the different dressings, yet you're still getting the healthy fat from the avocado. It's extremely yummy. It really tops off a great salad. So for those of you who aren't really into cooking but you want to do keto, super easy. One of the meals that I take with me frequently on the road is I get a rotisserie tri-tip, already pre-cooked. Keep it in the package that goes in the fridge. I make up my dressing, and then I have my salad stuff. I add the cut up tri-tip. I use about 3 ounces, and then drizzle my salad dressing on top, and it's awesome. So if you don't feel like cooking, or you need something quick and easy, that's one really good keto friendly meal. Now that's all mixed up. And all this is a protein shaker. It's super easy, and it snaps really tight on there, so you can stick it in your fridge and not even worry about it. Has a little bit of a kick. It's super good though. So whenever you're ready to use it, just make sure that's on there nice and tight. Shake it up, that little ball in there. Shakes it all up for you. Okay guys, there you go. Healthy salad dressings made with healthy, good for you fat instead of the store-bought crap fat. So until next time, enjoy the keto.